Number 1.
May I please note? So this matter will be taken up along with item number 3, your lordship.
Item number
3,
3.
supplements. It is available.
Yes. In 3, perhaps we have called for the case diary.
Lordship, we have received.
Received the case diary. Yes. Is there any material?
Their statement has been recorded, lordship.
No, first you come to this
1.
no 3. In which we have called for the case diary.
Hemanto.
Here the accused is Hemanto Deka.
Hemanto. He is the process server.
Just now I have received the lordship. Just now I have received the serious. He can start. I am going to.
Okay.
My lord, in this case, my lord, your lordship will find the forwarding report, my lord, at page 16, my lord. Page 16. Full lordship.
Yes,
Page
on the
6.
other day you have pointed out.
Yes, my page 60, my lord, that paragraph 4, my lord, ground of arrest, my lord. I am the process server, my lord. The allegation is that I have not served the notice to the, my lord, concerned person, my lord, and I have served the notice to the person who is in possession of the land. That is the allegation, my lord. And now your lord.
Oh, how long you were behind the bar?
Today is precisely, my lord, 17 days, my lord.
17.
On 10th, I have been arrested. 16th, my lord, sorry. 10th, I have been arrested.
16 days.
16 days.
The allegation is that you have served the process upon wrong person.
The wrong person to the owner of the land.
And in fact, you are not the process server.
No, I am the process server. Admittedly, I am the process server.
Oh, you are process
I am
server.
process. Jari karo. And now, if your lordship turns to page 23, my lord. Page 23, there is an order passed by your lordship, my lord, whereby the main person, my lord, who has, my lord, forged the, my lord, document, he has been granted bail, my lord. Arup Jyoti Das, my lord. And he was granted bail on, my lord, 15 days, my lord. After 15 days.
No, that was granted on the ground that investigation was almost completed.
Yes.
FSL report was also collected.
Yes.
Then what remains to investigate the same? That's why you have granted bail to him.
Yes.
Yes, Lord.
Regarding this person, also his statement has been recorded. His statement has been recorded as he has already been arrested, lordship. And one specific question was put to him, lordship. In Namjari's Bhumi aru Rajo Ainor dhara 52 মতে দিয়া জাননীখন আপুনি জাৰি ঘৰে ঘৰে গৈ কৰিছিল নে? Then he replied, lordship, নাই কৰা, অৰূপ জ্যোতি দাসে নিজেই লৈ গৈছিল ইমান তাৰিখে আৰু কৈছিল যে আটাইবোৰ ঘৰৰে মানুহ তেওঁ নিজেই দিব. So this is his fault in entire case, lordship, because it is his duty to serve the notice by visiting the house personally, but he did not visited the concerned person. He handed over the entire document, the notice to the Arup Jyoti Das, lordship.
No, if that person is stated to him that he will cause service of the notice upon the other persons who are belonging to his family, then where is the point for disbelieving him?
He belongs to that family also, lordship.
No, why the process server would disbelieve him? He do not know the conspiracy heads by that person,
Yes.
that is Arup
That
Jyoti
is
Das.
specified.
Hmm? Yeah, heard Mr. N. J. Dutta, learned counsel for the applicant, accused. And also heard Mr. P. S. Lokor, learned additional PP for the state respondent. It's pair number 2, 3, and 4. Mr. Dutta, learned counsel for the accused submits that the accused was arrested on
10/6.
10/6.
10/6.
10/6/2024, and since then he has been languishing in Jail Azur for last 16 days, and that the allegation against him is that being the process server, he has served notice upon a wrong person, and that one of the co-accused has already been granted bail by this court by order dated 12/3/2024 in BA number 675 of 2024, and
Arup Jyoti Das.
Okay.
He is the main person.
that the accused is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. P.S. Lokor, learned additional PP, has produced the case before this court and submits that the IU has collected some materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR. And what is the stage of investigation?
Also, here Lordship, FSL report has received Lordship and
Uh,
sufficient
progress.
progress Lordship.
By Mr. Lokor further submits that the investigation is progressed significantly, and the IU has collected FSL report also. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have carefully gone through the petition and the documents plus on record, and also perused the case diary with the assistance of Mr. Lokor, learned additional PP. The case diary indicates that the investigation of the case has progressed sufficiently, and that the IO has also collected the forensic science laboratory report. Further, it appears that the accused is languishing in jail as of for last 16 days, and the main accused has already been granted bail by this court by order dated 12/3/2024, and in BA number 675 of 2024. Having considered above and also considering the nature and gravity of the offense and the punishment prescribed for the same, this court is inclined to allow the petitioner is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one security of life amount to the satisfaction of the learned CJM commitment by accused by enlargement by case there is returned.
And deeply approved.
Yes, next item.
And Ramakanta Nath is the Mondal Lordship.
I'm the Lat Mandal also.
Lordship, his statement Lordship, one specific question was put to him Lordship. Apuni সরজমিন তদন্তৰ অন্তত জাননী দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ পালে নে নাই চাইছিল নে? Then his answer was Lordship, নাই চোৱা সেয়া জাৰিকাৰকে জাৰি কৰে মই জাৰি কৰিছে নে নাই গম নাপাওঁ.
For how long you are behind the bar?
I was arrested on 10, your lordship, 10/6.
10.
Yes, your lordship.
Heard Mr. Your good name?
S. Deca.
S.
S. Deca.
S. Deka, learned counsel for the accused, and Mr. P.S. Lokor, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This. Mr. Deka, learned counsel for the accused, submits that the accused is a Latmandal by profession, and that he was arrested on 10/6/2024, and since then he has been languishing in jail for last 16 days, and that he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contended to allow this petition. Baki, same. Okay, 50,000
Deeply applied.
satisfaction of the CJM Kamru Bank.
Number two.
Yeah, Mr. Lordship. My
Yes.
lord. My lord, page 68, my lord,
Yes,
page 68. On the same footing, my lord, this coordinate bench of this honorable court is granted bail, my lord. Page 68, operative portion, page 70. May I read, my lord?
so whether this court has earlier rejected this petition?
No, my lord.
No.
This court, my lord, the co-accused have been granted bail, granted anticipatory bail by your lordship. The co-accused, Santosh Kumar Mahato,
Santosh,
Santosh Kumar Mahato, is a co-accused.
is that order available here?
No, this
Lordship.
this order is relevant, passed by the.
No,
coordinate-
that order, whether that order is
That-
available?
Yes, I have an.
That record was called for lordship
Right.
in connection. The Santosh Mahathos case
Yes,
record is
San-
called for, that is here lordship.
Santosh
Gotcha.
On
Mahato,
last occasion lordship. Whether what plea he has taken lordship
page
to see
58,
that lordship.
page 58, I have annexed that order.
Hello.
On last occasion lordship, it was submitted lordship that lordship, as he is he's only the driver lordship. This present petitioner is only the driver. So he do not know anything that owner asked him to drive this vehicle. That is why and on that query lordship asked him to lordship asked the registry to place the record record of the Santosh Mahato
Hmm.
that what plea he has taken in his petition regarding that driver lordship.
So Santosh Kumar Mahato's bail order, I have annexed page 58. So
Hmm.
your lordship call for that record of Santosh Kumar Mahato's
Hmm.
accordingly.
No, what is your plea in the present case?
My plea is that, my lord, I am the driver.
Hmm.
I don't know anything regarding what loaded in the vehicle.
Hmm.
I am the employee of the Gotik Intensive Private Limited. It is-
Who is Santosh Kumar Mahato?
Santosh Kumar Mahato is the owner of the vehicle.
Owner of
And
the
who
vehicle?
employed me as a driver.
Acha.
Who employed me as a driver. Everything is on record.
So what was the plea taken by Mahato in that
Santosh
case?
Mahato took that I have flag mark that petition lordship.
Is red mark?
Lordship. Flag mark is lordship.
Yes.
One flag is there lordship. That is that last
Oh,
para lordship.
which point?
Last point lordship.
6.
Maybe lordship. He do not know anything where the driver has driven the vehicle. And apart from that lordship, lordship wanted to see lordship that whether the owner has also shifted his liabilities to that driver also.
Hmm.
That part lordship wanted to see on that day. Lordship. And
No,
lordship,
that is not here.
that is here lordship. He has stated lordship that the driver he do not know anything. Driver has driven the vehicle. And apart from this also lordship, in the CD lordship that I flag mark lordship,
Hmm.
lordship. In the CD lordship, it is mentioned lordship that the driver has also stated, Lordship, that he is not the regular driver of this on the owner Santosh Mahato.
Mm.
He on that specific date he was called for to drive that vehicle, Lordship.
No, Mr. Lokor, you see, the vehicle was running under Gati company,
Lordship.
Gati Express. So what was the liability of the driver and this owner of the vehicle?
Was liability because, Lordship, on that day, Lordship, the driver was specifically called to go drive that vehicle, and earlier also one time he drive that vehicle, and Lordship,
Mm.
here the driver knows the
The
way.
question is whether he was aware of about presence of this contraband substances in the vehicle or not.
That is not clearly mentioned.
Not that is not.
That is not stated.
No, that is not stated in this petition. That's all right. But is there any material in the case diary or case record?
In the CD, Lordship, which is because he has made 25 calls between the driver and owner, Lordship, on that day, Lordship. There are 25 calls, Lordship.
Driver.
Lordship.
No, that's all right. But is there anything to attribute his knowledge about presence of this contraband substance in the vehicle or not?
Please, Lordship, that.
At what stage the case is pending?
Case is pending for appearance. Till date, no PW is examined
Appearance.
For
Yes.
appearance.
for appearance. Last order I have annexed, my lord. Zimma, next page number, page 66, 25/4/2024.
Sarsit submitted.
Charge submitted.
You have been shown as absconder.
No. Santosh Kumar Mahato was shown as absconder. I have been arrested, my lord, on that day. I have been custody
Acha.
1 year, 5 months, my lord, till today. I've been in custody.
But the fact remains that the quantity of contraband substances are this commercial quantity.
This is
So
right.
you have to satisfy the requirement of 37.
At 37, my lord,
Mm.
whether I can be involved in this case or not.
Mm.
I have been
So
employed,
you were the driver of the vehicle from where the contrabands were recovered.
my lord, I have been appointed by the Gothic industry and employed
no.
by the Santosh Kumar Mahato.
Hmm.
So this is all clauses, my lord. Clause number 18 and 20 of the service contract
Mm.
between the Santosh Kumar Mahato and Gothic industry.
Mm.
And I have been working under that clause. I have no knowledge. I have been specifically trained for driving. So all other employees work. I have no knowledge regarding what have been loaded in the vehicle. This is everything on contract, my lord. Just I am a driver as per service contract. I have been engaged, and I have been working under the instruction of the Santosh Kumar Mahato and the Gothic industry. My duty is to drive, my lord. Nothing else, my lord. It is a logistic company to bring the materials from one place to another. There is nothing connection with the my lord, loading materials. I have no connections.
Okay,
Everything
we'll
is in
see
record.
the materials in the case diary. No, in the record.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. Acer Sodore, learned counsel for the accused, and Mr. E.S. Lokor, learned additional PT for the state respondent. Mr. Lokor, you go through the this record and flag mark the relevant portion. Would you follow my points?
Lordship.
So is there any material to attribute knowledge that contrabands are being carried in the vehicle being driven by him at the relevant point of time?
or within his knowledge. Yes.
So my humble submission, my lord, on same footing, it is observed by the land coordinate bench.
Pardon?
Same footing, my lord.
No.
For the same one.
We are not bound by that observation.
This is
made
this
by
is
the
right.
court.
This is right, my lord.
But we will go by the materials available in the. If any, what is binding precedent? When a law is laid down, is there any law laid down in the by the coordinate bench?
No, my
So
lord.
as
No,
to
my-
follow by this court also?
No, my lord.
Then